That's the preset menu. So what you guys are looking at right now is the preset menu. So once you get to this screen, after you have your radio assembled, the next thing you guys are going to do is go ahead and program a preset. So to get to the programming menu, you're going to go ahead and press 8. And if you look at it takes about 5 to 15 seconds to enter into the programming mode. Make sure you press it hard. I saw you go down to it, and I saw that change. So it takes about 5 to 15 seconds to get into the programming menu. And if you look at the number 8 on the keypad there, underneath the number 8, you'll see PGM. PGM stands for programming, right? So if you guys forget the number, just look for PGM on there. So once you guys are on the programming menu, you in there? All right, so once you guys are on the programming menu, we're going to go down to RT1 and press enter. You're going to use the arrow key right here. So 9's down, 6 is up, and then left to right, right? Yep, go ahead and press enter. So after you go ahead and press enter, remember you guys are programming a preset. So you're going to go to system presets and then press enter. So after you go into system presets and hit enter, you want to go to system presets configuration and hit enter. So now once you're there, you guys will be programming your preset number. So if you look at each of the tables, so training tables and your test tables, there will be a description paper. Your description paper is going to have your radio check with your call sign and all that. You also have your preset number, which you have to type in. So for this table here, this training table, it's going to be preset number 20. And then you will also have your frequency number. So go ahead and type in 20. And you're going to do it by just pressing the number you want. You're not going to use up or down on the arrows. Just type in 20. Once you guys put in 20, go ahead and press enter. It's going to take you to preset description. What you want to do when you're at preset description, you want to go ahead and just hit enter past that. Skip through it. Don't worry about it. All right, so then after you hit enter, it's going to take you to preset waveform. You guys want to go to preset waveform, Vulos. So look for Vulos. It's a weird word. You have to remember that though. Use up or down. You'll find Vulos in there. All right, so once everybody's on Vulos, you want to go ahead and hit enter on Vulos, and then it's going to take you out to a menu screen. Once you guys are at the menu screen, you're going to want to go ahead and go down to frequency and press enter. Your frequency will be on the description paper that will be on your table. So the frequency for this table is 038.1. 038.1. It'll go, you see the point is already in there? Yep, just put a 1. So once you guys have 038.1 in there, go ahead and press enter. So next you guys will see receive only. And you want to make sure that receive only is on no. So go ahead and press enter when it's on no. The reason it has to be on no is because you guys got to do radio check to us, all right? So next thing you want to do is you'll see that it says TX frequency. Make sure you guys are on use RX freak and then press enter. The last thing you're going to see is you're going to see your frequency one last time. You're going to see 38.1 now. Yeah, everyone see 38.1000? All right, go ahead and press enter on that. Now if you guys look, it bumps you back out to the menu, and then next to the frequency there's going to be a little check mark. That check mark's letting you know that everything you put in there is now saved. So you're going to move on to the next key tab, which is go down to ComSec, and press enter. And it's going to say crypto mode. Make sure crypto mode says none, and you're going to press enter. And so I kick you back out to the menu. Now you can see that your frequency and your ComSec both have a check next to it. So now you're going to go down to traffic. And then you're going to hit enter on traffic. Now you're once you're in traffic, it's going to ask traffic mode. You want to make sure you click voice. And then it's going to ask you voice mode. You want to make sure you hit clear, hit enter. And then it's going to ask you modulation type. You want to make sure you guys are on FM. We're only using FM for this lane. So go ahead and hit enter. And then it's going to ask you FM deviation, and it's going to say 8.0 kilohertz. Go ahead and press enter. And now you're going to get check mark next to traffic. You're going to go down to TX power, and you're going to TX power. You're going to hit enter. And you're going to see TX power. Make sure it's on high, and you're going to hit enter. And you're going to get check mark next to it. Then you're going to go down to squelch. And then hit enter on squelch. And you're going to see that it says squelch type. Make sure it's on tone, and then press enter. And then you're going to go down again. You see check mark next to squelch. Go down, and you guys will be on exit. Everyone on the exit, go ahead and press enter. All right, so what you guys did there, you went through with your preset, you went through your preset key tabs, and you made sure that everything that lined up with your preset key tabs got saved in there. So that us as graders will not change any of that stuff. That stuff should already be pre-programmed in there, so all you really have to do is keep hitting enter, 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 all the way through that stuff. You just got to make sure you got a check mark next to each one of them, so that way it's saved in there, because the radio might, if you didn't go through one of them, the radio might put something different in there just because whatever. So make sure you get a check mark next to them and then exit out of there. And when you exit out of there, you're saving your preset. So your presets are now programmed and saved into your radio. So it'll take you back out to the system preset menu. So go ahead and hit clear 3 times. And it's going to say exiting programming mode. All right, so now you're exiting programming mode. This can take from 5 to 15 seconds, sometimes maybe a little bit longer. But you guys will go back to the preset menu. So when you guys are at a preset menu, give me a thumbs up. All right, you're good, you're good? All right, so you guys are now at the preset menu. From here, you want to go to the mode menu. You go to the mode menu by pressing 3. If you look at 3 on the keypad, right underneath it, you'll see the word mode. So if you forget what number you have to press, just look for mode on there. Once you guys are in the mode menu, you want to go to RT1 cipher mode and hit enter. So us as graders will go in and we will change this every single time. So you have to know what you're looking for. You're going to be looking for PT. PT stands for plain text. So find PT and then press enter. Now it should say changing preset, and it's going to kick you back out to the preset menu. Everyone back at the preset menu? Yeah? All right, good. Yeah, that's that right there. What you're looking at is the preset menu. All right. So now you guys want to go to the option menu. So you're going to press 7, and that will take you to the option menu. If you look at 7 on the keypad, underneath you'll see the letters OPT. OPT stands for option. So once you guys are in the option menu, you want to go ahead and hit system. You want to go ahead and hit audio option. And you want to hit handset profile. This is another thing the graders will change every single time, so it will never be the same. What you guys wanted to look for, though, is 2-channel lapel mic. So scroll through until you find 2-channel lapel mic. Once you guys find 2-channel lapel mic, go ahead and press enter. And then it'll take you back to the option menu. You want to hit clear 3 times. And it's going to take you back to the preset menu. So what you just did there, I must do this. So you just did there, you just told the radio that you're going to be receiving information and sending out information through the 2-channel lapel mic, this 2-channel lapel mic. So you have a side button here. The side button right here is for FM. We're only using FM for EIB. For you guys, the higher ranking stuff, this is the TSM button. So if you ever have 2 antennas on there, this is how you talk in between platoons and between companies, whatever. All right, so you guys are only going to be using FM, all right? So before you can do a radio check, which is the final thing you have to do, you have to change your preset number now. So you use the preset key. Plus or minus is up or down. Plus or minus is up or down. Let me see yours. Plus or minus is up or down. That preset key right here, you see it? Got fingers on it? Right here. Plus or minus up and down. And you guys know what. All right. So you're going to change your preset number to the number that you put in there, which is 20. So go ahead and just start cycling through. Go ahead, the preset number, preset pad right here. And go up. You're at 14. Keep going. You see where it's changing right here? Yeah. All right, keep going. So you're at 20. Once you're at 20, you don't have to press anything. You're just going to head and stop on 20, and then the radio is going to change the preset to preset 20. It's going to take maybe about like 5 seconds to sync, and once it's done syncing, you can go ahead and make a radio check. But make sure that when you guys are doing this radio check, you're using proper phonetics and telephonic communications. All right. So it's going to be tree flower 5-9er. All right. So go ahead and call it up. Why don't you go first? Right here, read this whole description. You read it. This will be on the testing table. You read right off the description.
You're going to scroll down using the 6 and the 9 keys.
Apache.
RT1.
Apache tree flower.
This is
Apache 5-9 radio check 4.
There you go. And once you do that, your time will stop. Now, if you were to mess up on there and you say 3-4, then when you're done, obviously the whole entire radio check, the grader will respond with, "You came in broken, say again your last, over." And then that's just letting you know that like your radio is fine, your frequency is fine, everything's good, but you messed up the description. So as long as you still have time remaining, the grader will keep saying that until you correct yourself. All right, so that's like a little hint. All right, so yeah, you can go.
Apache tree 4. This is Apache 5-9 radio check.
Say again your last, over. You messed it up, say again your last.
Say flower. Apache tree flower. This is Apache 5-9 radio check. Over.
So if you mess up, just like I did, say again your last. They're just gonna look at you say that until you say it again and fix it. So go ahead.
Apache tree flower. This is Apache 5-9er radio check. Over.
Go ahead.
Apache tree flower. This is Apache 5-9 radio check. Over.
All right. So then after you